Height of triangular right prism. The figure shows a triangular prism PQRSTU. Given QP equals QR equals 6 units, angle PQR equals 55 degrees, and angle UPR equals 27,5 degrees. Determine the area of triangle PQR, the length of PR, the height RU of the prism. Solution. Approach. The area of triangle PQR can be found using the area rule, as two sides and the included angle are known. The side PR can be found using the sine rule, since one side PQ is known, and the angle PRQ can be calculated in the isosceles triangle while the angle PQR is known. Knowing PR, the side RU can easily be found using the tangent ratio in triangle PRU. Applying the area rule in triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR equals 1/2 times PQ times QR times sine PQR. Substituting the values, we get. Therefore, area of triangle PQR equals 14,74 square units. In triangle PQR, angle QPR equals angle QRP, given QP equals QR. But angle QPR plus angle QRP equals 180 degrees minus 55 degrees equals 125 degrees. Angles in a triangle are supplementary. Therefore, angle QPR equals angle QRP equals 125/2 equals 62,5 degrees. From equation 2, applying the sine rule in this triangle, QP over sine angle PRQ equals PR over sine angle PQR. Substituting the values, we get. Rearranging the terms, we get PR equals 6 sine 55 degrees over sine 62,5 degrees. Therefore, PR equals 5,54 units. Now, consider triangle PRU. It is right-angled at R. Applying the tangent ratio for angle RPU. Substituting the values, we get. Rearranging the terms, we get. Substituting tan 27,5 degrees equals 0,521, we have. Therefore, RU equals 2,89 units. Thus, we have determined the area of triangle PQR, the length of PR, and the height RU of the prism.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.